Somewhere out there, your old tools are quietly panicking. We're breaking down the newest Amazon tool releases that actually deliver. Smarter, tougher, faster. No gimmicks, just gear worth grabbing. Stay tuned, because your next favorite tool is hiding somewhere in this list. Stop guessing angles like a caveman. Meet the AF3 Angle Finder. Reads 20 to 170 degrees, inside or outside, accurate to the degree. Mark bends, dodge welds, measure the impossible corners. It's basically a superhero for sheet metal nerds. Grab yours. Angles have nowhere left to hide. Landscapers, builders, DIYers. Put down 6 different tools because the slammer just replaced them all. Dig, drive, chop, smash, clear. This beast does it. Fence posts? Slammed. Bamboo jungle? Tamed. Concrete slab? History. One tool. Endless jobs. Your tool shed just got jealous. Say goodbye to wonky, hand-chiseled hinge slots. The Milescraft Hinge Jig self-clamps, self-centers, and cuts pro mortises in seconds. No measuring meltdowns required. Fits standard doors, includes latch templates, and a built-in depth gauge. Your hinges just got their swagger back. Ditch that clunky caulk gun with the push rod poking your ribs. SILIGUN. Gen 3 is compact, no drip, and slides into tight spots like a stealthy ninja. Loads 10-ounce tubes, pushes sealant at a mighty 12-to-1 ratio. Small gun, massive upgrade. Your walls will genuinely thank you. Your appliances just got 2,000 pounds lighter. Meet the Rhino Cart. It rolls smooth over gravel, thresholds, and cracks like they're nothing at all. Expands 6 to 46 inches, splits apart for oversized loads. 8 rugged wheels, 0 struggle, maximum swagger. Moving day just became suspiciously easy. Say hello to your new favorite drawer of tools. The WORKPRO 8-piece flex head wrench set. Flips 180 degrees, grips even rounded bolts, needs just 5 degrees to ratchet. CRV steel tough, rust-resistant, and it comes with its own tidy carrying case. Tight spaces meet your match. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny beast hits harder than tools twice its weight. Metabo HPT's triple hammer packs 1,859 inch-pounds of torque, 4,000 beats per minute, 5 speed modes, and IP56 weatherproofing. Just 2 pounds, 0 mercy. Your toughest fasteners just met their match. Working at heights just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Ergodyne Arsenal bucket hook. ANSI certified, self-locking, holds 40 pounds without flinching. Keeps your bucket clutter-free and your tools exactly where you need them. Dropped objects? Not on this hook's watch. Say goodbye to fumbling with manual wire strippers. The KAIWEETS. Automatic stripper self-adjusts for 10 to 24 AWG wires, strips, crimps, and cuts, all in one tool. Comfy TPR handle. Lifetime support included. Electrical work just got faster, easier, and way less frustrating. Precision meets your pocket. Meet the ROSCALE 150. It's wireless, app-controlled, and weighs up to 330 rock-solid pounds. Rugged aluminum build survives tough job sites, switches between kilograms, pounds, and ounces instantly, and even comes with a protective carry case. HVAC pros, your refrigerant charging just got smarter, faster, and seriously more precise. Stubborn wheel hubs meet your match. The Orion Motor Tech Hub Removal. Kit yanks out 5, 6, or 8 lug hubs without wrecking your axle. Heat-treated steel, corrosion-resistant, seriously tough. Comes in a tidy carrying case. Say goodbye to hours of hub removal headaches. Dropped a bolt into some dark, impossible-to-reach void? Klein's telescoping magnetic pickup tool extends 22 inches, grabs a solid 2 pounds of steel, and lights the way with built-in LEDs. bendable gooseneck for tricky angles, dust and water, resistant, rubberized grip. Never lose a screw to the abyss again. Cabinets, doors, HVAC units. This thing lifts it all. The IRWIN Quick Lift Construction. Jack raises up to 330 pounds and 10 inches with precision control for perfect leveling. Slim tapered base slides into tight spots. Quick release comfort grip. Installations just got dramatically easier. Tight spaces, meet your new best friend. Milwaukee's mini copper tube cutter squeezes into cramped corners and slices copper pipe up to 15 millimeters clean and precise every single time. Compact, sturdy, no-nonsense design that just works. Backed by the legendary M18 system. Small tool, seriously reliable performance. Freehand drilling is officially canceled. The SPESYN ST3 locks in a perfect 90-degree vertical guide and shows live depth readouts down to 0.1 millimeters as you drill. Switch effortlessly between drilling, tapping, and screw driving. No extra tools needed, no guessing, no wobble, no overdrilling. Precision just got ridiculously easy. One wrench, 6 sizes, 0 excuses. Klein's Lineman's ratcheting wrench handles both square and hex utility hardware. Lag bolts, C-clamps, suspension bolts, all covered with ease. Bolt-through design lets bolts pass right through the socket. 160 years of American craftsmanship packed into one seriously versatile pole tool. Over-tightening? Not on this screwdriver's watch. TorqueTex driver locks in precise plus or minus 6% accuracy with a slipping clutch that stops you before disaster strikes. Works smoothly in both directions, features an easy-read laser scale, and a comfy rubber grip. Precision torque control that genuinely protects your project every time. Tight corners just met their nemesis. MulWARK's tiny 4-inch screwdriver ratchets smoothly with 32 teeth, grips any 1/4 inch bit securely, and squeezes into spots regular tools can't reach. Comes with 19 popular bits for every job imaginable. One click switches direction instantly. Small tool, seriously mighty performance guaranteed. Precision engraving just got seriously satisfying. DSPIAEs, tungsten steel. Push broach and step scraper glides smooth, cuts flawless clean lines, and stays razor-sharp far longer than ordinary tools. Lightweight, compact, and color-coded for easy identification and grabbing. Perfect for detailing, GK modifications, and scratching that perfectionist itch every time. Your knees just filed a formal complaint. Here's the fix. NoCry's heavy duty. Knee pads bring gel cushioning, breathable mesh, and a non-slip secure fit that stays put all day long. Lightweight yet tough, easy on-off design, backed by a lifetime warranty. Comfort your knees genuinely, truly deserve. That's a wrap on today's tool lineup. Hope your wallet survived the temptation. If one of these caught your eye, links are down below, no digging required. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with even more gear.